Hi, I'm Joanna Smith, and I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of Google to enhance product discovery, increase basket size, and create a seamless omni-channel journey for grocery shoppers. COVID-19 has disrupted how we approach many of our regular tasks. With grocery shopping, a common errand has been suddenly transformed by safety concerns and social distancing requirements. So it's no wonder that online grocery shopping is expected to accelerate at a much higher rate than previous years. To set the scene for this demo, I'm going to take you through the journey of a grocery shopper. Remy lives in a city with a stay-at-home advisory and has been finding ways to avoid going out. This weekend, he has plans to do a virtual dinner party with some friends, where they will all attempt to cook the same meal over a video call. To find a fun recipe, Remy has been browsing YouTube for ideas and inspiration. He really likes this homemade pizza and checks the video description for the recipe, where he finds a link prompting him to buy the ingredients with Groceries for You. This video happens to be a co-promotion with a retailer, and that link acts as an entry point for Remy to do his grocery shopping online, making it easy for Remy to shop for the ingredients he will need. In the Groceries for You app, Remy is brought directly to the recipe card for the pizza he was looking at. Since he may already have some of the ingredients, he's offered an easy way to select what he needs and then add everything to his cart. In the cart, he's given the opportunity to make modifications and add additional items based on personalized recommendations, powered by machine learning. For example, he can select a different mozzarella from a brand he prefers, he can add related items, and even add some of his go-to favorites. This experience was powered by Google Cloud Recommendations AI. The retailer was able to offer suggestions in several ways. First, by looking at similar items and providing comparable products. Next, by looking at the customer's cart and launching real-time recommendations based on selected items. And lastly, by using historical user data for predictive replenishment suggestions. With Recommendations AI, retailers don't need to build their own machine learning models. Instead, they can plug their product catalog and user transaction data into existing Recommendations AI models and be up and running in no time. Early results from retailers using Recommendations AI show success, with more than a 40% increase in conversion driven by recommendations, leading to more than a 50% increase in revenue driven by recommendations. Remy is ready to check out and selects a window for curbside pickup so that he can minimize his exposure to other people. He uses GPay, where his payment information is already securely stored, and avoids having to type out his credit card information on that mobile keyboard. When he's ready to pick up his order, Remy can easily navigate to the store and even share his location with the retailer to expedite the pickup process. Each of these pieces offered a small improvement that together created a seamless journey for the customer. Later on, Remy is wondering what to do if an item was out of stock for his order. The app offers a chat functionality, so Remy asks about the safety precautions the store has in case he needs to go inside. The chatbot is able to answer Remy's question and explains the safety measures the store has put in place. This helps Remy feel better, but he's hoping he won't need to go inside. So he asks the chatbot what the process is for substituting items in his order. Again, the chatbot is able to answer Remy's question, and Remy is reassured that his order will be complete, since he has not received a message indicating otherwise. This integrated digital shopping assistant is powered by Dialogflow, the same technology that supports Google Assistant. Dialogflow can be used to easily train a chatbot to answer common questions, or even provide item details based on your product catalog. At the store, the retailer has mechanisms in place to properly receive, execute, and complete Remy's order. A grocery agent receives the order and collects all of the items, with guidance on specific aisle and shelf locations, handling instructions, and even the ability to scan on the go. Meanwhile, the store manager can see data and metrics for the entire store, including information on gross sales or the overall number of orders received and completed throughout the day. By combining data from various sources like this, the store manager can make informed decisions for things like scheduling or inventory, leading to more satisfied customers, lower wait times, and fewer out-of-stock alerts. With this assisted grocery experience, Remy was able to go from watching a YouTube video of a recipe that he liked to picking up his groceries in a seamless shopping experience. By bringing together consumer Google products like YouTube, Maps, and GPay, and leveraging Google Cloud solutions like Recommendations AI and Contact Center AI, we hope to help your business create positive and profitable user experiences. To learn more about Google Cloud's retail solutions, check out cloud.google.com/solutions/retail.